In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Midjourney. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own photos into Midjourney's web experience so you can use them as references for stylizing, variations, or inspiration. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Any modern browser will work fine. This approach is helpful if you don't have the exact URL handy and want to quickly find the official site. Having your image ready on your desktop or in a clearly labeled folder will also make the process smoother once you get to the upload step. In the Google search bar, type Midjourney. This will bring up the official Midjourney site along with a few related results. Keep an eye out for the official domain to avoid lookalikes. You can also ignore ads at the top and look for the main result that leads to Midjourney's website. Click into the Midjourney website. This will open the Midjourney web interface where you can explore, prompt, and manage images. Depending on your setup, you may see the Explore page first. If you're asked to sign in, that's just to confirm access to the web tools. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can find the upload option quickly. Next, locate and click the Add Images button. This button is typically visible on pages where you can create or manage content. When you click it, a file picker from your computer will open. You can also often drag and drop an image directly into the page if you prefer, but the button is the most straightforward path and works consistently across devices. Common formats like JPG and PNG work best, and higher resolution images usually provide clearer reference details. Choose the image you want to upload from your computer. Select a file that clearly represents the subject, style, or colors you want Midjourney to consider. Before you confirm, it can help to quickly preview the file name and resolution so you know you're uploading the right version. Once selected, confirm the upload. You should see a preview or a confirmation on the page when the upload completes. From here, that image can be used as a reference in your creative process. That's it. You've gone from a simple Google search to successfully uploading an image into Midjourney. If something doesn't load, a quick page refresh or trying a different browser tab often resolves it. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring what your images can inspire in Midjourney.